What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. We got the BMW here, you know, the M3 clone. I got more parts for it. I got the bumper and I got the headlights there. So I got the headlights for it. These are Spider LED, you know, blacked out inside, so the car is gonna look really good when I put these on. So they look like, yeah, I'm gonna throw these on for you so you guys can kind of get an idea. But I just want to show what I got, and then it's gonna go to the shop and they're gonna align all the lines, you know, make this shitty stuff look pretty, so the car's gonna look really good when we're done with this. So, oh, and I have to show you guys the taillights. I already installed those. So yeah, let's go do that. Spider taillights in just today, so excited to see what they are. Let's pop these things open. Really nice packaging. Look at this. Okay, so here are the taillights after they've been installed. You know, I did my YouTube magic and they slapped on. But we did have to move locations because the car needed to get moved to my house. And yeah, this is what they look like. Okay, I'll turn on the lights for you guys so you guys can see them. So I installed the headlights. These look absolutely sick on the car, the black inside. And these halos, I haven't connected them yet because I want all the body lines to get aligned. And then after all gets painted, they're gonna look sick. Everything's just gonna be, you know. So we just dropped the car off at the mechanic shop, and then they're gonna be doing the work on it, obviously. And then yeah, we'll be updating how it goes. Hopefully we can get some footage of the car and stuff. So yeah, guys. So we got the car in the shop. It's on the frame machine. They're pulling the frame. It's like a centimeter off, and then they're gonna put it all together, and then we should be out of here next week. For you guys, it's gonna be like within 30 minutes, but we'll keep you guys updated and catch you all later.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so we just got to the shop to pick up the car, and yeah, that's my first time seeing it. We're here. This is what the finished project looks like. They got all the body lines aligned. Put these in, put the bumper on, took the fog lights out, so I'm gonna have to put those in right now actually before we pick up the car. And yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like now without those fat gaps over right here and stuff. So we'll just be doing the small stuff, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I pulled off the bumper. So we're gonna be installing the fog lights and then these covers from Wish, by the way. So Wish review right now, see how they fit and stuff. Yeah, we'll see how they go. They look pretty good, but we won't know until we put them on. so we got the fog covers on, we got the fog lights on. The bumper's gonna get like sanded and painted, but that's in the next episode. I'm gonna be painting it. Not most of the car, but like most of the car, basically. And then I have to still straighten out the back, but I'm probably gonna be doing that myself too. So that'll be something to watch. Right now I have to put on this like kind of like an air scoop up front that is missing because the body shop sucks, and then put it back together. So yeah, let's do that, and then we'll go around the car and take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so I finished putting on these little plastic pieces and these air intakes for the brakes and stuff. Tighten a few things up, putting the bumper on. And then, well, it started raining. I was going to do more, but it is raining currently, so I'm just going to put the bumper back on. Alright guys, so we're done for today. Car looks pretty good, aside from a few little things that I don't like, but I'm ready to finish that off the screen. And then see you guys next episode, you know, for the prep for paint and actual paint. And then I want to take the car to alignment. That'll all be next episode, so see you guys then. Like, subscribe, you know, comment on what you guys think I should do to it. And yeah, keep you guys updated.